Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if only one of the Assioma Pro RL pedals reads power and the balance stuck at 100 per 0 in your application. So first of all, it's totally okay. I mean, your balance shouldn't be stuck at 100 per 0, but generally it's okay if your only your left pedal measures the power in case of Assioma RL1. But if you have two pedals with built-in sensors, then we're gonna have to check where the problem lies. So if you have the Assioma RL2, then you have to make sure, first of all, to open your Favero Assioma application, tap Add, and make sure that you added both pedals. So not just one of them to your application. So make sure to wake up both pedals separately, select My Assioma is already active, and add both of them to your devices list. And then also check whether both of them are updated, because one of them might be outdated. So go into each of the pedals menu within the application. Wait until you get here, and here select Settings and Firmware Update, and make sure to check for updates for both pedals. And lastly, you might also want to charge both pedals, so make sure to connect your charging adapter to both of them. Then use the two-headed USB-C cable that you got in your box. Connect the USB-A part into your charging brick, and the other two USB-Cs into your into these adapters. Make sure that both have their LED turned on after the cable being inserted, which means that they are charging, and just charge them for a couple of hours until they are both fully charged, and then once again check if the issue is resolved. One more thing is basically unpairing your device, which you can do by tapping the three-line icon in the top right corner of each of your pedal, selecting disconnect your device, and then I'm gonna have to do it otherwise. So you have to tap the three lines icon right here in this menu, then go to System, to Settings, then go to Sensor Management, and then remove your sensors, tap Confirm, and then you're gonna have to re-add your pedals and recalibrate them once you have added both of them. Now, to calibrate your pedals, you have to go to Settings, Calibration, and then set your pedals vertically like this, and then start the calibration. Perform the calibration on both pedals if both have sensors. And that's basically it for this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.